How to download and install Life360 app. Firstly, on your device, open App Store or Play Store. After opening, go to the search bar on the top and search for 360 Life. Now at the very top, you will see this application. This is the official app. You can click on the install option to install this to your device. It is very simple to install the application. However, if you did not find the app on the Play Store or App Store, you can even download this from your web browser. Open any of your preferred web browser, for example Chrome. Now in your search bar, type in Life360 app. If you scroll down, then you will see the Google Play link. Simply click on the install option to install the application. Or you can scroll further and click on the website link. On the website also, you can click on join for free and sign up to your account. Once signed up, you can easily use the website. If you are using an iPhone, then make sure to search for Life360 app for iPhone. If you click on the Google Play option, then you will be redirected to Google Play Store. So this is how simple it is to install Life360 on your device. That's all for today. Thank you.